What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. I would really appreciate it and it would help me out a lot. Today we're gonna do another wig. I'm gonna be working on my industrial sewing machine and we're gonna go with a different texture this time, and this is gonna be a part 1 and part 2 video. I think that's how I'm going to do my videos from now on. The first part being the construction of the wig, and the second part being whatever manipulation I'm going to do with it, whether I color or color cut, whatever it is that's different from putting the wig together. But yeah, today I'm going to be working with a deep curly, and this is what it looks like. And we're working with a 26 inch, 24 inch, and a 22 inch. And this video, I'm going to be using a frontal instead of the closure like my previous video. And so this is the frontal. I've already bleached the knots on it, so you guys won't have to go through that process with me. But if you want to see a video on how I bleach my knots, you could always put it down in the comment section and I will be happy to make that video for you. All right, so let's get right into it, and thank you guys again. Let's go. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking with me through that video. Again, this is part 1, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the coloring process for this unit. I don't know if I want to turn it burgundy or do some more blondes. I mean, I've been doing blondes lately, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I'll give it the night, think about it or whatever. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for staying with me through this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And yeah, let's go to part 2.